What's up, greens and cornbread family? Welcome back to our channel. We are back with another video. Y'all, today I am going to be making smothered chicken, and it is going to be the bomb. So right here you see me cutting up some onions, cleaning them off. So we're going to get started with that and move on to the next thing. After the onions are cut up, I'm just going to slice up a couple slices of bacon, and this is going to go in the green beans for flavor. After you have added your desired seasonings, now put all the ingredients in there, and we're just gonna let this all cook down. I know you guys be wondering, like, what is the seasonings that you use, but honestly, I don't measure seasonings, and I really feel like people season their food to their liking, so I would just suggest to do that. But now we are going to get into seasoning the chicken, and I have some chicken breast that I have sliced in half right here, and I'm using some salt and pepper, adobo, smoked paprika, pollo, Mrs. Dash, onion and garlic and herb seasoning, and yes, my chicken bouillon seasoning, and a little olive oil so it can stick. Okay, you guys, so I just seared the chicken on both sides. I want to say I cooked it for like 12 minutes, but I honestly don't know. I would just cook it to it looks the way you need it to look, and make sure that it's done in the middle. So right here we're going to get started with the gravy, and I'm going to start with some butter, and I'm going to keep that chicken flavor at the bottom. I'm not going to clean my skillet, and I added me some onions because I gotta have onions in my gravy. And I'm also going to add a little bit of garlic and parsley because you can't go wrong with it. And after this, you're just going to sprinkle some flour in your pan, and you're just going to let it thicken up. And then you're going to add water and seasoning until it tastes the way you would like it to taste. And the same seasonings that I used on my chicken and almost everything is what I'm going to put in my gravy. Alrighty, now that I have my gravy to my liking, I just wanted it a little bit more thicker, so I'm just going to add a little bit more of flour. And you did notice previous that I was adding water and tasting my gravy. Please taste your food as you cook, because you just need to do that so you can know that it tastes okay. All right, y'all, so our smothered chicken is done, and I just got me a little thing of rice and put it in the middle. My husband loves rice, so now we are going to plate this. Look at those beautiful chicken breasts with that gravy and on top. Oh my God, listen to him in the back. Oh my gosh, I can't even do my voiceover. But y'all, this meal was so delicious. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry, y'all. My husband is messing with me. I can't even do it. But it was so delicious. These green beans was on point. Make sure I put some bacon up in y'all green beans, because it's just gonna put it on another level. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and continuing to support our channel. Without you, we wouldn't be where we are today. We'll see you next time in the next video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that notification bell, and make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can get more of our videos. We post 4 times a week: Sunday, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. See you next time, Greens and Cornbread family. We are out. And you also got to have a Bev, the Strawberry Kiwi Tropicana. Make sure y'all get that from your local grocery store. Albertsons, Target. Yeah, we out.